How to refill my Verizon prepaid phone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You can start by heading over to your application Verizon, or you can move into other website in order to refill. So let me move into Safari for now. You need to head over to the site called Refill Verizon Online. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the official site where you can refill on your Verizon prepaid card. In this page, you have to select Verizon. After that, enter the phone number associated with your Verizon prepaid card. Once you have entered the number, choose the specific amount that you want to refill. Once you have selected the specific amount, you need to click on Recharge Now. And then it will process to include your payment method. Enter the specific payment method from which you want to pay. After that, follow the on-screen process and then pay the amount. Once done, your Verizon prepaid phone will be refilled and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.